In this video, we will introduce and give an overview of the optical zone U eFiberSat solution. The eFiberSat solution consists of three components: a rack-mounted indoor unit, an environmentally hardened outdoor unit, and a single-mode fiber cable to connect the two. The indoor unit has 8 RF connectors, which will accommodate a combination of up to 4 uplinks and or downlinks, plus 2 independence reference clocks. All signals are multiplexed onto a single-mode fiber. Status and control via SNMP or web interface for both the indoor unit and the outdoor unit are accessed via front panel RJ45 connector. The system can also accommodate an optical gigabit Ethernet data link between the indoor unit and outdoor unit. The outdoor unit is an environmentally hardened IP67 metal enclosure. The weatherized enclosure has 4 RF connectors that can accommodate up to 4 uplinks and or downlinks. A single fiber connects the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. The outdoor unit is powered by 12 volts DC, and there are status LEDs for each of the 4 RF ports. The RF specifications of the 3 GHz uplink and downlink are shown in the table here. Spur-free dynamic range of 109 to 110 dB are typical. eFiberSat also provides the option for 6 GHz uplinks and downlinks. Some SATCOM modems provide reference clocks on separate RF connectors. For those SATCOM modems that multiplex together both a modulated uplink signal and a reference clock, the eFiberSat indoor unit demultiplexes or separates the uplink signal from the reference clock for separate transport to the outdoor unit over fiber. In this way, intermodulation distortion between the uplink signal and the reference clock are eliminated. Also, when separated from the uplink signal, the reference clock can be transported at a much higher RF average power level in order to maintain good phase noise performance. Reference clocks can range in frequency from 10 MHz to 200 MHz, and the indoor unit can accept 2 separate input reference clocks. As noted previously, eFiberSat is highly configurable with respect to the combination of uplinks and downlinks. For the case where the SATCOM modem outputs a reference clock onto a separate connector, eFiberSat transports that on a separate fiber to the outdoor unit, where it is distributed to any combination of LNBs and or BUCs. In the case where the SATCOM modem multiplexes together a modulated uplink signal together with a reference clock, the indoor unit demultiplexes the two or separates the two, sends the reference clock to the outdoor unit on a separate fiber, at which point the reference clock may be distributed to any combination of low noise down converters and or block up converters. The outdoor unit may also output a reference clock on a dedicated RF connector. eFiberSat supports applications such as VSAT, TVRO, shipboard applications, oil and gas platforms, mining and tunnels, and others. The operating temperature range is -20 to +60 C, with an optional upper operating temperature range of +75 degrees C. The indoor unit may supply a plus 12 volt DC bias to the LNBs. The outdoor unit may supply optional control signals to the LNBs, such as plus 13 and plus 18 volts DC with and without the 22 kilohertz tone. The eFiberSat system may also incorporate Optical Zone U's patented micro OTDR technology, which when used with gigabit Ethernet data links can isolate optical breaks or faults in the fiber. To summarize, eFiberSat is a solution for locating antennas 100 meters away from SATCOM modems and beyond. eFiberSat is a solution when no electromagnetic radiation may be tolerated from the transport medium. eFiberSat is a solution for transporting 6 gigahertz uplinks and downlinks with high spur-free dynamic range. 10 to 200 megahertz reference clocks are transported on separate fibers to maintain good phase noise performance in reference clocks and good intermodulation distortion performance for uplinks. The eFiberSat outdoor unit is an IP67 environmentally hardened enclosure. LNB biasing is available on all uplink terminals at the outdoor unit. All equipment may be monitored via SNMP or the web. eFiberSat. For more information, contact Optical Zone U.